Hi students, today we are going to discuss one of the case study based question for the term 1 examination of CBSE 10th standard. My dear students, as we know, this is one of the important question which is taken from chapter real numbers. So we can enter to the question. Three sets of English, Hindi and mathematics books have to be stocked in such a way that all the books are stored topic wise and the height of each stock is same. The number of English book is 96, the number of Hindi book is 240 and the number of mathematics is 336. Assuming that the books are of the same thickness, using this data answer the following questions. Here we have 5 questions. Any 4 questions should be answered. So question number 1, the maximum number of books in each stock. Number of stock of English books, mathematics books and Hindi books. And also it is asked which idea used in this question, which mathematical concept is used here. So from this question, we have to select the numbers which are given in the question. So we can see that here English books number is given and Hindi books number is given, mathematics books number is given. So based on these all numbers, we can enter to our question. The question number 1, the maximum number of books in each stock. So once again we can write the number of each books. Here the number of English book is 96 and the number of Hindi book 240 and the number of mathematics books 336. So we can write these numbers here. The first one is English, E for English and H for Hindi and M for mathematics. Now the question, you can clearly observe that there is a word maximum. Maximum, or we can say the word highest. So each stock, one of the important word is given in the question. You please observe it. The height of each stock is same. The height of each stock is same means we have to take the number of each books in a stock should be same. So please observe here, if we keep English book, many English book can be kept, but the height should be same. So more English books are keeping, there will not be that much Hindi books, or more Hindi books are keeping, that much English book will not be there. So its height will not be same. To get the height same and the maximum height is required means the common height is required for each subjects. So the same number of books will be kept in each stock. So we are going to find the common height for each books, English, Hindi, mathematics. So we are going to find common factor. Common number means it should be a factor. So common number for each English, Hindi, mathematics. So we can find the highest common factor of these numbers. So the numbers are 96, 240, 336. These numbers are even numbers. So we can factorize with the 2. So we get the answer 48. In 240, how many 2s are there? In 2, 1, 4, 2, 0, 0. So 120. 3, 1 and 13, there will be 6 2s are 12. One balance will be there. That 1 and 6, 16. There will be 8 2s. Again we got even numbers. So we can factorize with the 2. In 48, 24 2s are there. In 120, 60. In 168, there are 84. Again we got even numbers. So we can factorize with the 2. So 2 12s are 24. 2 30s are 60. And 2 42, 84. Again we got even numbers. So once again we are factorizing with the 2. 2 6 12. 2 15s are 30. 2 21s are 42. Now 6, 15, 21 has the common factor 3. So in 6, 2 3s are there. In 15, 5 3s are there. In 21, 7 3s are there. Now these numbers have no common factor, which are the numbers 2, 5, 7. So we can select the common factors. There are 4 2s. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 3 also common. So when we multiply this, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and 16 into 3. We can multiply here 16 into 3. 3 6 18, 8, 1 reminder, 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4, so 48. 48 is the common factor of each books, each numbers. Here the numbers are 96, 240, 336. So in one stock we can keep 48 books. So you can understand 96 books are there in English. So one stock 48, the second stock 48, it will be completely filled. So we got the answer 48 is the common height. Now the second question, number of stocks of English books is, here given the options. We can check once again. There are 96 English books are there, and Hindi books 240, and mathematics books 336. So our question, how many English books are there? How many stocks are there? Not in number of books, but the number of stocks. In one stock we kept 48 books. So how many 48 is there in 96? 2 48 96. So 96 divided by 48, we get a 248. In one stock 48 means such two stocks are there which will completely fill these all 96 books. So 2 is the right answer, the number of stocks in English. Now we can go to number of stocks of mathematics books. How many mathematics books are there? 336. In one stock we will keep 48 books. So how many stocks will be there? How many 48s are there? That much stocks will be there. So in 336, how many 48 is there? We can check it. Here 336 divided by 48, we can use cancellation method also. In 48, 24 twos are there. In 336, 1, 6, 8, that means 168. Again even numbers we can cancel. 24, 12 twos are there. 168, there will be 84. Again we can cancel. In 12, 6 twos are there. In 84, 42. 42 and 6 very familiar to us. 6 sevens are 42. So in 6, 1 6 is there. 48, 7. So 748 will bring 336. So in one stock 48 books are there. So 7 stocks are there. It will completely fill these 336 books. So 7 stock, which is the correct answer for mathematics. Now Hindi, same question. So same method can be applied. 240 books are there. Hindi books. How many Hindi books are there? 240. So in 240, how many 48s are there? That much stocks will be there, because in one stock 48 books. So 240 divided by 48, we get the answer 5, because 5 into 48, 240. So 5 stocks will be there for the subject Hindi. So that is the right answer, 5. Now we can go to the last question. The question asking, which mathematical concept was used in finding the maximum number of books? Maximum. So we have to recall highest number which is common for each books, English, Hindi, mathematics. Then only we can find out the common. So common factor we selected. The highest common factor we selected. So HCF is the concept we applied in this question. So my dear students, now we practiced an important question. Select the questions based on the syllabus. Don't consider difficult or easy, which is based on the syllabus that can be considered.